Yes, good afternoon to all. Today I am discuss about types of circuit breakers and their importance. In the electrical and electronics world, there are many cases where misstep takes place, severe damage to buildings, office, houses, schools, and industries. The trusting of voltage and current through safety measurements are taken. Okay. Once circuit breakers are installed, it will be takes place rate of rise of voltage and current. It helps from the any accident. Circuit breakers are likely different types of they are installed according to the system. In household purpose, different kinds of circuit breakers are used on industries and the breakers are used. Let us discuss the different types of circuit breakers and importance in power systems. First of all, what is meant by circuit breaker? When circuit breaker is switching device that can be operated automatically, protecting and controlling the electrical power system. In the modern power system, the circuit has changed depending upon fused currents and voltages to prevent from the operating supply. So this is the circuit diagram of circuit breaker. In the circuit breaker consisting of a axis switch, battery, relay, and CTs. So the electricity is contained. The coming to the house or offices or schools or industries, any other areas. Power distribution grids forms a large circuit. Those lines which are connected to the power at the end of the called hot wire. And these lines are connecting the ground from the wherever electrical charge flows between the two lines. We develop the potential between the two complete cycle. The connected load appliances offer the resistance to the flow of characteristics of the electrical system inside the house or industry works are smoothly. So, basic working types of circuit breakers. Well, we are aware that what is circuit breaker. Now, this section explains working of circuit breakers and operation. And as an electrical engineer, it is crucial role to know operation of the device, not only the energy. People who into the domain, why need to aware of this? This device includes a way whereas one static and other is movable. When the two contacts make contact, the closed on when the contacts not together, circuit moves to the closed state. This depending upon the necessary circuit open or closed phase condition. Okay. The main phenomenon in circuit breaker is arc phenomenon. During the operation of circuit breaker, the arc is the one of the needs to be clearly observed that is known as the phenomenon circuit breakers takes place at the time of the fault phases. For instance, when extensive flow of current across the contacts before the defensive approach that takes place. So, why arc happens? Before knowing the arc definition approaches, let us evaluate the parameters happening in the arc. The reasons are the potential variations that exist between the contacts, ionized particles, this arc between the contacts. Now, classifications of circuit breakers. There are in power system, in production, these different types of high voltage circuit breakers include following. 8 circuit breakers are air gas circuit breaker, SF6 circuit breakers, sulfur hexafluoride circuit breakers, vacuum circuit breakers, oil circuit breakers. So these are classification of the circuit breakers, types of circuit breakers. First one, air circuit breakers. This air circuit breaker will operate in the air. The quenching medium is an arc. At atmosphere, many countries, the air circuit breaker is replaced in an oil circuit breaker. So, oil circuit breaker. About the oil, we'll discuss the later. The article. The importance of the air gas circuit breaker, still preferable choice to the breaker up to level is 15K. This is because of the oil circuit breakers may catch the height when use it at 15 volts. So this is air tap circuit breakers. View of the air type circuit breakers. These are two types of air circuit breaker, and plain air circuit breaker or air gas circuit breaker. Okay, plain air circuit breakers are ABC, air gas circuit breakers. In plain air circuit breakers, a plain air circuit breaker is also called cross blast circuit breaker. In this section, the circuit with chamber, the surroundings the contact, the chamber is known as the arc tube. This arc is made to drive in it, achieving the cooling the oil circuit breaker and arc effectively the material in arc chute is made. The internal walls of the arc chute is the but approximately it will be divided into the two winding channels of the projection on the circuit breaker. So the arc chute will be many small components, but many divisions which are available to plates, positive place or negative place. Here each of the small components we have the a mini arc chute that the plate act like arc splitters. All arc voltages will be higher than the system. Voltage when the series arcs is only preferable for low voltage applications. So now second one is air gas circuit breakers. Air gas circuit breakers are used for the system voltage up to 245 kV, 420 kV, and also even the circuit breakers also two types of circuit breakers. Axial blast circuit breakers, axial blast with sliding moving conductor. First of all, let's discuss about axial blast breakers. In this axial blast breaker, the moving contact of the axial blast breakers will be when a CC offers a fixed coil and the current coil to break the normal closure condition. A fault occurs in any introduced chamber, the voltage is sufficient to sustain the high pressure when flow or nozzle opens. So, this is the circuit diagram of air blast breaker, axial type. So, now advantages of ABCB breaker. Use it to where the frequency operation it requires because of lesser arc energy. It is a risk free from fire. It is a air blast, no? So that's why it is risk free from fire. Small in size. It requires less maintenance. Maintenance is very less. Arc punching is much faster. It means the fault clearance is very faster. The speed of the circuit breaker is much higher. It operates very high fast circuit breaker. The time duration circuit arc is same as all value of the current. The disadvantage of air gas circuit breaker, it requires additional maintenance. The air has relatively lower arc exclusion properties. It contains high capacity air compressor from the air pipe junction. There may be chance of air pressure leakage. There is the chance of the high rate rise of restriking current and voltage shopping. The main applications are uses of the circuit breakers are it is used for the protection of plants, electrical machines, transformers, capacitors, and generators. An aircraft circuit breaker is also used in electricity sharing system and for 50 kilos. Also used in low as low as well as high currents and voltage applications. These are air-blast circuit breakers, advantages and disadvantages on applications of circuit breakers. Now, coming to the next breaker, SF6 circuit breaker. In SF6 circuit breaker, the current carrying contacts operate in sulfur hexafluoride and nothing but a SF6 circuit breaker. It is an excellent insulating property and high electro negatively. It is that the high affinity of absorbing the free electrons. The negative ion is formed when free with SF6 gas molecule. It is absorbed by the molecule. The two different aways electrons SF6 gas molecules are. The negative ions are which formed will much heavier than the free electron. Therefore, with other common gases, overall mobility and change particles in SF6 gas is much charged particles is majority responsible for conducting the current through a gas. Hence, the less mobile charged particle in SF6 gas It occurrence is very high dielectric strength. The transfer property because of low gaseous viscosity. SF6 is a 100 times of more effective medium than air gas circuit breakers. Why? Because it is a oil based SF6. So it is used for both medium and high voltage electrical ranges. That means 33 kV to 800 kV. Now, types of circuit breakers in SF6. So this is circuit diagram of SF6 circuit breaker. Here, in this part, the down part of this part is fill the SF6 gas. SF6 gas. These two are insulators. These three are insulators. This will stand for the SF6 gas. Now, next, according to classifications of voltage levels, circuit breakers mainly SF6 circuit breakers mainly classified into three type of parameters. First one is single interrupted SF6 circuit breaker applied up to 220 volts. In this type of circuit breakers, we are using the especially near to transformers, distribution transformers. Next one, two interrupts SF6 circuit breakers applied up to 400 volts. This is also used in near to substations, domestic substations. Next one, four interrupts SF6 circuit breakers applied up to some 50 volts. In this kind of circuit breakers, we are using the substations, high voltage level substations. So these three are using the different types of SF6 circuit breakers. Sometimes SF6 circuit breakers are also used in electric traction system. Sometimes we are using the electrical traction system. So these are SF6. Okay, thank you. Next class I will discuss about another circuit breaker.